ups?
Today on this episode of Miami Motorcycles, I got some goodies from 4th Floor Choppers. Alright, so a while back I had ordered some goodies from 4th Floor Choppers. Just kind of a little theme with the bike, and here it is. So got me some Batwing road pegs, a freaking red air cleaner, and a new enrichener puller. As well, I finally got brakes on this son of a gun. Only thing is, this past Sunday we rode and I lost my wallet and my cash, my credit cards, my debit card, everything. So I have to wait till I get paid so I can fill up and take the Spirit of Vengeance for a ride. Now, before I get into the installation of 4th Floor, what I ended up having to do on the brakes here was I ended up having to use the iron heads master cylinder. I had to retap this opening to use this fitting right here. Now the issue was I could not get any fittings to fit inside this. I'll show you. So here are the fittings that I have bought already. Here's the one off the iron head. So everywhere I went, either they read this side as a 3/8 or 3/16 thread. Now they read it as a 3/8 because it's fit as a 3/8. Only thing is, apparently different fittings result for different threads. So this is a -3 NM and this is a 3/8 NPT. This is a 3/8 NPT conversion for a 3/16. Now even though it's a 3/16, it still threads into it. So this is 3/16, this is -3 to a 3/8, which is really confusing. So that was the purpose of the first line, which was the hydraulic fitting for the 3/8. Too thick, couldn't have enough handle the pressure. Then here's the TC Brothers, which I messed up, and I know I could have just cut it off anyway, but the fittings that came with this was the banjos, and I didn't have banjo fittings, which I could have got threaded banjos, but then I would have still needed a -3 to a banjo. It would have still been all the same thing with the result that I would have ended up having to do. So cylinder, this is the one off the iron, no, this is the one off of the shovel head that I got at the beginning. So the fitting here, that's the tap. This was my practice one, so that's what I did to the one that's on the bike now, is I made it fit for the fitting that I did have, which was a 3/16 without the collar to the -3 NM, which the NM went to the master cylinder and the 3/16 went out to the line, which is really confusing. I know it's been a pain in the butt ordering and waiting and ordering and waiting, but this is what it was. So this is the 3/16 that was tapped and tapped in and threaded, and then this is the -3 to a 3/16 fitting. So Then to the caliper, it's 3/16 to -3, and that one worked just fine. And that fitting was already onto the caliper, so no one else could figure out the stupid fitting. Anyway, deal is we got brakes, and as soon as I get her on the road, we'll have another video for that. And for Ernesto, he just got his Sissy Bar gas tank, kind of like the one like Shovelicious has.
Yeah. Did a little paint and fix up the seal a little bit. Just looking good. Getting ready to put that fatty tank back on. Some nice little gold flames. I think it should be a gold flame right here into a green outline of it. It's gonna be pretty cool. She is like, fuck, it's so dark like this.
How do you like it black? Everything is black just about.
Yeah. That's what it's black and gold.
Alright, well let's get to it. So, basically, we're going to use one of these clips and a bolt for each. And the clips are to help it snap up and down when you lift the peg up. So once I bolt that up, it'll have the tension to keep it up. That sure is a whole bunch of god dang, that's freaking bad. But this also ends this episode of Mayhem and Motorcycles.